Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.4, Problem 5. This is Section 4.4, Problem 5. It says write each fraction as a percent. And the first one is 12 over 50. So the way I like to do problems like this is if you can easily convert the denominator to 100, do it. If not, you have to do a division. Well, 50 can easily be made into 100 by doubling it. But if you double the denominator, you must also double the numerator. So when you double 12, you get a 24. Now, when the denominator is 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is, so 24%. 12 over 50 is the same as 24%. So the next one, 7 over 20. Same type of trick for this one. You can easily make the denominator 100. So how did I do that? I had a 20, I multiplied times 5 to make it 100. So I have to do the same thing to the numerator. The numerator is a 7. If I multiply it times 5, it becomes a 35. I have 35 over 100. And when the denominator is 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is, so 35%. The next one, part C, I have 11 over 25. Can I convert that denominator of 25 into 100 easily? Absolutely. Multiply it times 4. So 25 times 4 is 100, and if I multiply the denominator times 4, I must multiply the numerator times 4 also. The numerator is 11, so 11 times 4 is 44. Now that the denominator is 100, I know that the percent is whatever the numerator is, so 44%. The next fraction, 3 over 10, write that as a percent. Can I make the denominator of 10 into a 100 easily? I absolutely can. I can multiply times 10. 10 times 10 becomes 100. So if I multiply the denominator times 10, I must also multiply the numerator times 10. The numerator is 3, so 3 times 10 is 30. So I have 30 over 100 because the denominator is 100. The numerator is the percent, so 30%. And finally, the last one, E, is 1/2. Can I make the denominator of 2 into 100 easily? I sure can. Multiply times 50. So 2 times 50 is 100. So I must also multiply the numerator times 50. 1 times 50 is 50. Now that the denominator is 100, the numerator is the percent, so 50%.